with the 1993 Yamaha FZR-600 that is now no longer mine. It's waiting for a transport truck who I think just pulled up out front. 7,628 original miles. It's all original. Even the front tire is original. That is the 93 model paint scheme. We'll do a cold start. Take a listen to it. Stock exhaust, of course. Bike runs great. Rare seat cowl. And dual headlights. Reminds me a lot of my old FZR-1000. 11.5 red line. Still has the original warning decals all over it even. I guess that'll do it. Great bike. Somebody else's to enjoy now. Down the road it goes.